to turn on alarm clock on the OnePlus Nord CE5, start by opening clock application. Now go for alarm, and over here you have to just pick one of the following preset, or you can simply create one by clicking here. So first of all, you can set time and set repeat. So we can ring once, but also we can change it for work. So for the first, second, third, and another day. You can also get scramble. But let's say that you want to set ring once, so we can name your ringtone. Below we can change its, you can name your alarm, and below we can change its ringtone. So you can set custom sounds by going for the themes, like for example the classic theme, or you can even go here and set custom sound. When you go back, you can also turn on and off vibrations and set snooze. So you can turn them on and off, change interval and times. Now we can click down in the right upper corner, and as you can see, it's finished.